Most people stick with the first field service software they hear about. Then, months later, they realize it is slowing their business down instead of helping it grow. That is why choosing the right alternative matters more than most business owners think. In this video, you will discover the best service fusion alternatives in 2026, what each one is best at, and who should actually use them. By the end, you will know exactly which platform fits your business without wasting time on trial and error. Let's start with one of the most popular alternatives, Jobber. Jobber is known for its simplicity. It is built for small to mid-size service businesses that want easy scheduling, invoicing, and customer management without complicated setup. Think of someone like Jake, who runs a home cleaning business with a small team. He does not want a complex system. He just wants to book jobs quickly, send quotes, and get paid on time. Jobber is designed exactly for that type of workflow. But here's the problem. As your business grows, you may start feeling limited when it comes to advanced dispatching or deeper operational control. Now let's talk about Housecall Pro. This is another strong alternative, especially for service businesses that want a modern and mobile-friendly experience. It is widely used in HVAC, plumbing, and electrical services. Imagine Alex, who runs a growing HVAC company. He needs scheduling, dispatching, payments, and customer communication all in one simple system. Housecall Pro gives him that balance of ease and functionality. Now here's where it gets interesting. Housecall Pro is very user-friendly, but some advanced features are locked behind higher pricing tiers. So as you scale, costs can increase faster than expected. Next, we have Workis. Workis is built for fast-moving field service businesses that rely heavily on communication and dispatching. It is especially popular with locksmiths, junk removal, and garage door companies. Workis focuses heavily on calling, texting, and lead tracking. So if your business depends on quick customer response and high job volume, it can be a very strong option. However, if your business requires very deep operational structure, it may not feel as rigid or detailed as some larger systems. Finally, there is Servicetn, which is more of an enterprise-level solution. It is powerful, but it is also expensive and designed for large-scale operations. For most small businesses, it may be too complex and too costly. So, how do you choose the right alternative? If you want simplicity and fast setup, Jobber is a strong choice. If you want a balance of features and ease of use, Housecall Pro is a great middle ground. If you need fast communication and dispatch-heavy workflows, Workis stands out. And if you are a large enterprise, Servicetn is built for scale. The key is not picking the most popular tool. The key is picking the one that matches your workflow today and can still support you as you grow. If this helped you understand your options clearly, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment which tool you are currently considering. It helps other business owners make smarter decisions too.